Hey there, dyers and tool aficionados! Get ready to embark on an electrifying journey through the realm of ingenious gadgets tailored for the ultimate tool fan. From cutting-edge power tools to innovative accessories, we have scoured the market to bring you the most exciting and practical inventions that will revolutionize your workshop experience. So buckle up and join us as we uncover 15 incredible gadgets that will leave you itching to upgrade your tool collection. Let's begin. Kicking off our list is the Makita MW1GZ microwave oven, a groundbreaking innovation from the renowned Japanese company known for their professional power tools. This compact, cordless microwave operates with the 40 VMAX XGT batteries commonly found in Makita tools like drills and trimmers. With two power modes, 350 or 500 watts, depending on the battery, it can heat food for up to 48 minutes. Weighing around 9 kg, Makita has included a handy carrying handle for portability. However, its price tag of $847 without the battery might raise some eyebrows. Imagine a scenario workers decide to take a break using the Makita microwave and coffee maker when suddenly the boss shows up. No need to fret. With the Makita DR-C200 robot vacuum cleaner, they can explain that they're on cleaning duty. This robot is designed for spaces up to 500 square meters with customizable cleaning paths in two modes, sweeping only or sweeping and vacuuming. Despite its versatility, it comes with a price tag of about $910, making it a high-end addition to your cleaning arsenal. Moving on to the realm of audio, Milwaukee introduces the Red Lithium USB Bluetooth job site earbuds. With a solid 10-hour battery life on a single charge, these earbuds surpass even the second-generation AirPods Pro. The accompanying case provides an impressive 70 hours of charge, and with foam and silicone ear tips offering 25 and 22 dBs of NRR noise reduction respectively, you can enjoy your tunes in peace. Priced at $180, they come with a case, cable, and multiple pairs of tips. Milwaukee is not just about tools anymore. They're diving into the fashion game with their M12 cordless heated gear. These heated jackets, powered by EM12 batteries, heat up 3 times faster and last 5 times longer than previous versions. With models crafted for both men and women, priced at $220, including the battery and charger, they offer both style and functionality for those chilly workdays. Completing your Milwaukee ensemble is their lineup of footwear designed for construction sites. Easy to clean yet offering top-notch protection against dust, water, and grime. These boots and sneakers prioritize comfort with energy foam heel cushioning. The step-release heel design makes them easy to slip off for a custom fit. With the addition of the BOA system for even pressure distribution, the Milwaukee shoe collection is a game changer. While prices are still a secret, expect them to be worth every penny. Next we have DeWalt surprises us with their mobile USB charger. Designed for the cigarette lighter socket, this charger can power up to 2, 3, or 5 gadgets simultaneously with a 2.4 amp output current. With the added bonus of a limited lifetime warranty, the 2-port model comes in at just $19, making it a must-have for any tool fan on the go. When a custom Glock pistol maker collaborates with a Milwaukee fan, you know something special is brewing. Though unofficial, the Milwaukee Glock G34 is undeniably cool, blending firearm craftsmanship with tool fan appreciation. For those who prioritize safety and ease of use, the FIT revolvers from the renowned Canadian brand FIT offer an appealing solution. These cordless tools, resembling traditional screwdrivers, are equipped with practical features such as built-in bit storage, a convenient light charge, indicator, and electric reverse functionality. With a robust speed of 180 rotations per minute (RPM), they provide ample power for tasks ranging from furniture assembly to repairs, making them a versatile addition to any toolkit. Say goodbye to mosquitoes and bugs within a 5-meter radius with the Ryobi Bug Zapper Lantern. Using UV waves to attract insects, this lantern zaps them with an electric shock, eliminating the need for sticky or smelly products. The basic kit includes the zapper, an 18V 2.0 battery, charger, and a cleaning brush, all for $200. How do you enhance a power tool? DeWalt figured it out by combining it with an audio system and radio. With 4 tweeters, a subwoofer, and bass resonator, this radio delivers top-notch sound. Compatible with DeWalt 12-volt max and 20-volt max batteries, it also charges your phone via USB port. Priced at $200, it's a must-have for any tool fan. Introducing the Bosch GPB 18-volt, a revolutionary battery-powered audio system designed specifically for construction sites. Featuring 4 5-watt speakers and a powerful 20-watt subwoofer, along with Bluetooth connectivity and FM radio, it's the perfect solution for on-site entertainment needs. What sets it apart is its compatibility with 18-volt batteries from different Bosch tools, providing added convenience and versatility. With a price tag of $550, batteries not included, the GPB 18-volt offers an affordable yet high-quality audio experience for construction professionals. For those well-deserved coffee breaks, rely on the Makita M501D coffee maker, a must-have for any job site. This innovative coffee maker is compatible with Makita power tool batteries, ensuring you never have to compromise on your caffeine fix. Brewing a fresh cup every 7 minutes, it can provide up to 5 cups of delicious coffee on a single battery charge. Built to withstand the rigors of the job site, it features a robust construction, convenient carrying handle, and includes a measuring spoon and cup for added convenience. Priced at $135, battery not included, the M501D coffee maker is the perfect companion for those long workdays. Unveiling Nipex's latest marvel, the world's smallest water pump pliers, ingeniously engineered for seamless maneuvering in even the tightest of spaces. Weighing in at a mere 62 grams and measuring a compact 102 millimeters in length, these fully functional tools offer unparalleled convenience and versatility. Equipped with a safety mechanism designed to prevent finger pinching, they provide peace of mind while tackling intricate tasks. Available for just $42, these miniature marvels from Nipex are a must-have addition to any toolbox. These gadgets revolutionize the tool industry, offering convenience, functionality, and innovation for tool enthusiasts worldwide. Whether it's a cordless microwave, bug zapper lantern, or the world's smallest water pump pliers, there's something for every tool fan to enjoy. That wraps up our list of 15 amazing gadgets for tool fans. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more amazing gadgets for tool fans in our next segment.